So if your washing machine is not draining, and assuming it's got power and everything to it and the fuse is not blown, then it could be a control board, because obviously when it gets to the end of the cycle the board signals the drain pump to drain. If that's working properly, it's going through its cycle but it's not draining, it could be your drain pump, or it could be your drain pump blocked. So just have a look at the drain pump now. Before we start going to that extent though, just make sure that the drain pipe, which is here, is not blocked inside of the trap. The pipe's not kinked and it's all intact. So on this model you can just tilt it on its side, get underneath, and there is your pump motor, your drain pump motor. So I've connected across it and I'm getting a reading of 173 ohms, and this is a good motor. So, but if it's blocked, this is where you got to dismantle it. Take all this apart and just check it for blockages all around and from here and back. So I'm not going to do that. I've tested the motor, it tests good. So that's all you can do really for non-drainage issues.